SolaX's range really stands out for us because we can do any size system, from very small residential solar systems right through to huge commercial, even industrial systems. That's both with and without batteries. The biggest impression really for us with SolaX is their support. So they don't just supply the product and leave you in the lurch if there's an issue. They back you up, be it in technical support or if there's a problem, they're there for us. Our clients are always happy with the SolaX products because they come with good support, be it normally the customer would come to us if they've got any questions, but we can escalate that to SolaX if we want to or if we need to, and they're really happy to have that extra support behind them. The main reason why we choose SolaX products is because of their sheer size of range, the reliability, the sheer build and installation quality, but also the support. What I can say is that if there's ever an issue with SolaX, be it a technical support for understanding the system better, or physically while the installers are on site and they might have a technical question, they answer their phones, and it's normally within a minute. And you do not get that with other brands. The phone rings out with other brands, they don't call you back. With SolaX, that support's there, and they will escalate it while you're on the phone. You don't have to wait for hours for someone to call you back. They will deal with your issue or question while you actually are there talking to them, which for an installation company is incredibly important because time is very short, and we need to have answers while we're on site, and the client wants to know that their system's working correctly, and that's what SolaX makes sure that we can deliver for them. So SolaX have a in-house training program for installers, and it's incredibly useful because it allows us to keep up to date with industry changes, but also their technology changes. SolaX are constantly improving their product and bringing new software products out all the time, as well as hardware. So it's important that we understand the product and its capabilities and how to maximise them capabilities. This is normally delivered through things like Facebook, but also online courses. And you can, a lot of these courses you can download, and some of them actually will log in and do live courses. And for us, the answers are there. And for us, that means that we can feel confident offering better services and products to our clients.